Thanks for joining the rollout of our Pathways to the Future of Transportation. I want to thank Finch Fulton, Deputy Assistant Secretary for Transportation Policy, the members of our Non-Traditional and Emerging Transportation Technology Council, the NET Council, and everyone who has worked to make this happen. Pathways to the Future provides a clear route for innovators to engage with the U.S. Department of Transportation. It establishes guidance and lays out a process for the department to review plans and proposals for new, innovative, cross-modal technologies. This guidance bridges the gap between innovator and regulator, prioritizes safety during development without hampering innovation, and promotes mutual awareness between industry and government. The department defines the future as one in which travel is first and foremost safer, and one in which mobility options expand for the benefit of everyone, especially currently underserved communities. Today, emerging cross-modal transportation applications raise new questions and challenges requiring novel solutions. And that's why in 2019, I directed the creation of the NET Council to swiftly address and resolve the regulatory challenges presented by innovative cross-modal, cross-cutting technologies. We took public comment on the challenges facing innovators, and the most common had to do with Hyperloop technologies, which presented very clear challenges to our current siloed modal organizational structure. For Hyperloop systems, the NET Council determined that the Federal Railroad Administration possesses the necessary tools and authorities to manage the safety and other regulatory authorities for these technologies. Additionally, Hyperloop technologies may access some of the same pathways the department is using for high-speed rail. And Hyperloop projects using maglev technology are eligible for the same grant programs as other projects exploring these technologies. This unlocks potential funding and financing opportunities for planning and, when ready, construction grants and loans. Applying this Pathways to the Future framework will help the department and industry address similar challenges pertaining to other emerging transportation technologies. The guidance released today will also initiate approximately $2 million for related research and the development of standards. Through all of this, the department remains tech neutral. These technologies must continue to be developed competitively by the private sector. There should be no expectation of federal funding to ensure operational success. It's inevitable that transportation systems will see growing interaction with technology. Pathways to the Future is a pioneering approach toward multimodal technologies and reflects the pace of change underway in American transportation. The NET Council is the department's one-stop shop for innovators. So here's to preparing a pathway to building an even safer and more efficient transportation system for the future.